Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video I'll be showing you how I prepare this easy cake parfait. Very easy. Let's get started. All you need is your chocolate cake. You need vanilla cake. Just take your time, use your fork to cut it into pieces and try your best to make it so pieces if you can. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video. Subscription is free just for you to be getting a lot of my new video. In this channel you have a lot to learn, so make sure you don't mix any of our videos. So right now I'm cutting my vanilla cake, cut into pieces. Here I'll be using whipped cream for this cake parfait. If you want to know how I made this whipped cream, make sure to watch my next video coming up. I will show you how I made this stable whipped cream. Very easy. Feel free to add any toppings of your choice. Here I'll be using chocolate chips and a little sprinkles on the cake parfait. You can see this cake parfait is ready. Very easy to prepare. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting a lot of my new video. Feel free to like my video, give me some thumbs up so that other people will also enjoy this video as well. We'll post videos Mondays, Wednesdays and Friday. Make sure you're one of this family, you've subscribed, you've on your notification bell so that you'll be getting a lot of our new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.